I love studying English with my friends and speaking English with my teachers. I am very happy when my teacher correct my mistake. I love studying English with my friend and practicing English with the teachers. They are very friendly.
And how many syllables in beginner?
3.
Excellent listening. We got 10 out of 10, and that's because we are the best.
Can you tell me, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white and black.
Awesome. Great. You did great. So thank you for answering all my questions. And you've been a great student. So thank you for everything.
Yes.
All the teachers in this program, they are very friendly. They always give us a lot of time and chance to practice speaking and listening. My name is Vân Nga. So my English name is Nancy, and now I'm an English teacher in a secondary school. There are a lot of many reasons for children in Vietnam to learn English nowadays.
I want to be a tour guide in the future because it gives me a chance to travel everywhere, and it helps me confident more when I communicate with foreigners.
I joined this course because I wanted to practice speaking and pronunciation. I want to read books, watch film, listen to music in English, and I want to travel to many countries around the world.
Fun trivia is awesome. Fun trivia is awesome.
It's 7.
It is 7. How many syllables are in the following sentence? Dave went to town. 4. Excellent listening. Is she going to school? Is she eating breakfast? Does she take a bath? Does she brush her teeth? What is she doing now?
She's wake up.
She wakes up. Do you go why, when, where, or how long have you lived there?
How long have you lived there?
Oh, that's very good, Harry. Ken, can you answer? How long have you lived there?
6 years.
6 years you've lived there. I have lived there 6 years. Excellent.
Do you know the letters of the alphabet?
Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Great, thank you. Today we are going to do the speaking test, but don't worry, it's all things we've been over together in our lessons, so it's nothing new or different. I'm sure you'll do great. The first question, in maybe 4 or 5 sentences, could you just tell me a little bit about yourself?
Hello, my name is Lacey. I'm 13 years old. I am a student. I study at secondary school, listen to music, watch TV, and play a game with my friend. And I don't like eat lemon and chili.
So you did great. Thank you so much for sharing everything. And I've loved teaching you, so thank you for being a great student, and have a good rest of your day.
I think the students will have more opportunities to learn English better. It is the key to help them to get brighter future.
I want to say thank you to my teachers and thank you to Better Life Vietnam to give me a chance to practice English pronunciation. Thank you so much for your great lessons. And I want to say I love you all, my teachers.